Hey guys, since it's the festive season, let's make some Rasmalai Fudge. It is absolutely amazing. In a microwave safe bowl, we'll take some chopped down white chocolate and then we'll melt it. You can melt it in the microwave or on a double boiler as well. Into this we'll add our condensed milk. This is that ingredient that is going to make our fudge set. And now comes the fun part. We're going to add around 2 tablespoons of rasmalai milk along with half teaspoon of rasmalai extract by Carmine County. And then we'll be adding some chopped down nuts. I'm using some pistachios and almonds here. We'll also add a few dried rose petals and a few crushed rasmalais. Here you can add any kind of flavoring guys. If you don't have any of these ingredients, you can totally skip them, or also add some kesar strands, or if you want you can add some cardamom extract or cardamom powder as well. The best part about this recipe is that it comes together very soon, and I've already made multiple versions of this recipe. Here we have only added some ingredients and mixed them, and you can already see that the fudge has thickened up nicely. So if you want, you can just serve it right away, or else you can just set it in a lined container for around 4 to 5 hours until it's completely set. And then your fudge is basically ready. Over that you can top any kinds of toppings that you want, like rose petals or pistachios or almonds, or even some kesar strands will do just fine. Here you will notice that I have not added any added food color. The color which has come is from the rasmalai milk and the rasmalai extract by Carmine County. Carmine County is absolutely one of my favorite extract based brands, and I love using all of their extracts for most of my cake orders as well. So make sure to give it a try and let me know. So our fudge looks ready now. I am removing it from the container because the desired consistency as per my liking has been achieved. But if you want to cut it into bars or squares, then you can totally refrigerate it overnight and it will be perfectly set. And just see how fudgy this is.